Hello guys, welcome to TechMechanic YouTube channel. Today I will show how to fix drill machine key lock. Yes, this is lock. uh, Plastic are removed unfortunately, so this is lock, and when yes, again lock. So I will fix it. We need a plastic. It make PVC plastic. This plastic make two part of plastic. Use super glue and I make it and hold this. Yes, for so we need a spring and two materials also. So super glue, guys. Super glue. There are some super glue here. Little super glue. Yeah, and this is spring here, and yes, okay, try again. Yes, perfectly this is work. So guys, now this lock, yeah, and lock out, look, yeah, and lock. Now it lock. Yes, yes, super working. So yes, so I'll fix it, and it is nice work. Thanks for watching this video. For more video, subscribe TechMechanic YouTube channel. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.